Hi friend, this is Manoj Himne, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Art, Commerce and Science College, Sartoli, Lohara. Please follow me on the YouTube channel and subscribe the channel to get daily notification as press on the icon button. Okay, in this video today we will discuss about the poem about the writer Robert Browning. Okay, here Robert Browning, who was born in 1812 and died in 1889, he was a master or a poetic genre called the dramatic monologue. Here, listen carefully. Robert Browning, the poet, Robert Browning is the master of a poetic genre called dramatic monologue. ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग ह्या पोएट्रिक प्रकाराचं उद्गाता म्हणता येईल मास्टर कोणतं रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग and one of the most prominent poet of the Victorian era, as well as he is belongs to the Victorian era, romantic era, like that it is Victorian era. And the Victorian era is named on the Queen Victoria of England. इंग्लंडची जी राणी होती क्वीन विक्टोरिया, तिच्या काळातील जे पोएट होतं that is called Victorian poet. It is about 1735 to 1900. Okay. He was married to Elizabeth Barrett Browning, a prominent poet on her own right. And the writer, the poet Robert Browning married to the Elizabeth Barrett Browning. तो Elizabeth Barrett Browning सोबत लग्न करत असतं. And Elizabeth Barrett Browning was also a prominent poet. She was also a prominent poet on her own right. तिच्या स्किल मधील, तिच्या रायटिंग मधील, तिच्या वेगळ्या स्किल मधील ती का एक फेमस असं प्रॉमिनंट असं पोएटेस होती. Her his dramatic persona, one of his most famous work, and his dramatic persona is a name of his most famous work, and it is a dramatic monologue, was published in 1863, and his dramatic persona is published in 1863. Robert Browning's work are noted for his superb storytelling. आणि त्याचे जे वर्क आहेत म्हटलेलं आहे ते स्टोरी टेलिंग मध्ये एक प्रकारचं कथा स्टोरी जे सांगत असतं त्यामध्ये सुपर क्वालिटीचा आहे. ते एक प्रकारचा जो ओघ असतो सांगण्याचा स्टोरी, तो सांगण्याचा ओघ कुठं थांबत नाही. द स्टोरी टेलिंग पॉवर, हिज कंट्रोल ऑफ डिक्शन, त्याचे जे वर्ड सुद्धा आहेत. डिक्शन मीन्स the word which is used in the poem are in control of himself. ते त्याच्या कंट्रोल मध्ये होते. एक प्रकारचं छान असे सोपे असे टाइम पिरियड नुसार त्याचे वर्ड्स होते. अँड हिज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ द ह्युमन सायकी. आणि मेन थिंग इज दॅट ही इज अंडरस्टँडिंग, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी अंडरस्टँडिंग ह्युमन सायकी, जे मानवी मन, सायकी मीन्स द माइंड ऑफ ह्युमन्स. मानवी जे मन होतं, मानवी मनाला जाणून घेण्याचं त्याचं एक प्रकारचं जे अंडरस्टँडिंग होतं म्हणता येईल, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी अंडरस्टँडिंग होतं. हिज शॉर्टर पोएटिक वर्क्स आल्सो आर ऑफ सुपेरियर मेरिट. त्याचे जे छोटे छोटे वर्क्स आहेत ते सुद्धा काय एक प्रकारचं खूप चांगल्या परीचं सुपेरियर मेरिट मध्ये आहेत. These are some works of Robert Browning. Porphyria's Lover, My Last Duchess, Robin Ezra, how they brought the good news from Kent to Ace and the Pied Piper of Hamelin are eternal testament to his poetic power. And from these verses, we understand the poetic power of the poet. त्याचा पॉवर काय आहे त्या कविता लिहिण्यामधील पोएटिक पॉवर काय ते आपण ह्या कवितांच्या माध्यमातून समजू शकतो आणि दी पोयम विच इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर अस इन द सिलेबस द लॉस्ट लीडर. From that poem, we also understand the poetic power of the poet. What is the actual poetic power of the poet? Okay. Next, we will discuss just in short introduction about the poem. The Lost Leader. The Lost Leader is an old attack on William Wordsworth. Here, William Wordsworth. The poem Lost Leader is directly attack to the William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth वर एक प्रकारचं अटॅक आहे ही पोएमच्या माध्यमातून. Who had abandoned liberal and revolutionary ideas to embrace conservative politics. Why he was attacked? Because he had abandoned the party, abandoned the liberal and revolutionary ideas. त्याचे जे आयडियल्स होतं लिबरल अँड रिव्होल्युशनरी ते त्यानं सोडलं अँड ही ग्रोज और ही एम्ब्रेस कन्झर्वेटिव्ह पॉलिटिक्स. जे पारंपरिक जे होतं त्यामध्ये पुन्हा गेला. The poem never refers to him directly but is directed at the most esteemed person who has now betrayed his friend, because he had betrayed his friend and that's why they attacked him. And that's why Robert Browning attacked on William Wordsworth, because he just left their party in the sake of money. That's why they feel sorrow, the regret about the writer William Wordsworth, because he was their leader and their leader left their party. That's why the party was without their leader. The ideas, that principles who creates on which the party, on which their group is destroyed. And that's why here Robert Browning attacked on the poet William Wordsworth. Okay, the poem we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.